Hi friends, this is Amanda. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Oakland County, Michigan. I'm an A7 size girl in an A2 size girl. Today, I am playing with Bird's Eye View. And I'm going to ink up these two birds on some hot press watercolor paper. Hot press is very, very, very smooth and, you know, compared to cold press. And I'm going to use some black pigment ink so I can ink up these two and emboss them, just so that I can not use StazOn. I'm not a big StazOn friend. I don't like StazOn too much. So that looks pretty darn good, does it? Let's get a little bit more on here. And then I should be able to, well, one more try. It's not as dark as I'd like it. You know what? Yeah. So I'll just ink these up really quickly and then I will emboss them. Pigment ink stays wet for a very long time and it can actually smear. I mean, it smears really easily. One more time. Sorry, friends. I was going to do this off, but I thought, well, some people might not know about pigment ink. This is an old color box. I'm talking old, maybe 15 years old. Oh, maybe 10. Yeah, maybe 15. Don't talk to me how old it is. It's too old. All right, there we go. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. We will deal with cleaning that off in a little bit. I love this Bird's Eye View, but I haven't used it before. So, yeah, I thought, well, today's the day. And I wanted to really get some color down, so I thought we would use watercolor to really get some color down. Thought it would be fun to make a very vibrant bird. Two birds, maybe. Oh, nuts. I do want to put these eyes on. I mean, the whole point are these glasses, right? Give me a second. Let's see if I can do that. I think I should be able to put it back on this ink. You were supposed to do that. Good impression there. Oh yeah, it did pretty good. Okay. And a little skippity, but that's okay. And then we'll add some more powder to his eyeballs. There we go. All right, and then we'll just heat this up. So I just dunked this in clear embossing powder, and I keep my clear embossing powder in that tub there. I just put 2 or 3 bins in the containers in my little Glad bowl thing, and then I just dunk it. It's so much easier for me. All right, I'm going to turn this on and let it heat up. Perfect. All right. All right, it's a little bit warped, but that's okay. We can deal with it. I want to get really loud with these colors. So I have some reds and then some dark blues. So let's start with the blue here. Oops, that's what I want actually. Get some blueberry bushel, and I have a small paintbrush. Well, hopefully it's on there. I have a small paintbrush somewhere, and we will just paint this. I'm not gonna, I'll speed up through me doing this, so I won't be talking. I'm just gonna put lots of color on there and let it bleed. I'm kind of excited. I love to watercolor. I'm not very good at it, but I love to do it. Okay, well, I love the bird except for his wing. It's too dark. Too dark! But it is what it is. I can't get it any lighter. I tried with the marker. It's just darkening up. It's because I did a dark color next to it and it just came together. So it is what it is. Yeah, so let's cut these out in a circle. I'm going to try to do a sketch. Let's see if I can find it here. Yeah, I'm going to do this sketch. Whoops, you can't see it. Why would you be able to see it? There we go. Maybe. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. But we are going to cut these out in a circle. Not that circle. The largest circle. Second largest circle would be better. What if I use the deckled? Is the deckled circles in here? Yeah. You would think that I would have these things labeled, but I don't. I don't. No, I do not. Ooh, we could have a... No. Nope, gonna do the sketch. Gonna do the sketch. I know the deckled circles have to be in here somewhere. So I'll find those and I'll cut these out and we'll be good. All right, so it's only been like, 300 minutes, but hopefully with the speeding it up everything, it will be good. Be right back. Okay, we're going to put at our mini emboss machine, we're going to put number 3 down, number 2 down, our paper, our die, and then plate number 2 down. What do you think of him not having any color where his glasses are? Thoughts about that? I saw that on another one and I really liked it. I don't know why, I just did. You don't ask questions, you just like what you like, right? So again, mini emboss, we're going to put 3, 2, paper, die, 2. Pretty easy sandwich to remember, and it works every time. It's so nice. That number 1 plate was not doing well for me. Let's clean this off before someone makes a huge mess with it. I would never do that, but sometimes it has been known to happen. All right, we're going to put these away where they belong. Now, I took out this paper because I thought, this is fun paper. This is the, yeah, you know what I'm talking about? So this paper, and let's put this away. And ribbon, sparkly ribbon. What if we were to also take out, is it down here? Yeah. From our Brights pack, or our Brights? I mean, this one might be fun. No, nope, don't do that. All right, let's look at something we could do. We did use yellow. We used this green. This one for that one, yeah. Where is... That is in the bolds. Subtles, what if we use the dots for the subtles in Bubble Bath? Oh, that's not subtles. Yeah, the dots. I like the dots a lot. And then should we do, yeah, let's do a yellow. There's subtles. Should we do this yellow? No, let's do a different yellow. Let's do Daffodil Delight or Crushed Curry. Oh, maybe just those two and some black. And yeah, maybe just those two. All right, these are Regals. All right, let's try that with our sketch. I don't remember our sketch now. Let's put that away. Look at how many I used. I had a great time. You know what I mean? I enjoyed it. I wanted to come down here and play on Halloween. Remember, this is the last day to sign up for a kit catcher. And it's for the excellent deal. You would not want to wait till tomorrow. It's a great, great, great deal. 35% off, friends. Can't beat it. So, or 35% more, which is even better. So it's really like 60% off or 50, and then your shipping. Oh my gosh, it's a great deal. I hope you really think about that. If you have any questions, text me, call me immediately, because it is only until the end of the day. And it is my time, almost 4. So only a couple more hours. All right, A2 size card, A7 size card. That's what we make here. We'll do a quick birthday card. There we go. With basic black. Oh yeah, look at how great that looks already. I mean, then we will do 2 lines of this. And I'm just cutting. We'll figure it out, the dimensions, in a second. 2 lines of this. And how about a square of this? Ooh, but we do have this. Square of this. How about a 2.5 by 2.5. 2.5 by 3, just in case. Because we can always tuck it back or make it smaller. All right, and then let's do just a little bit of this. I really like this one too. Oh, I'm so happy to be in a creative mood today. Yeah. Yeah, let's just do one more. One bigger one. There we go. All right. So we have our pretty colors. Let's see what we have. We could do black on black. All right. So we've got this one. Square like this. And our birdie like this. Do we like that? Has to go like this, doesn't it? It has to. Doesn't look right the other way. I do like that. And then our sentiment could go where? Let's put this down a little bit. Like that. All right, I just have a thought. Don't get upset. I just have a thought. No, I don't think that'll work. I mean, the torn edge does look pretty neat. All right, I'm going to start laying things down because I really like this. 1¼ inch by 6, 1¾ by 6. This is my precision glue gun. Marcy sells them if you need one, which you might, because I really like mine. Text me, call me, get a hold of me, and I'll give you Marcy's information. She would love to give you a deal for being a watcher to my YouTube channel. So she's giving everyone that I know a really good deal. Or everyone that watches, I guess I should say. A really good deal, because, you know, people I know really don't. They're not all that excited. Just me. Here. Or here. All right, we're just putting it down. We're just putting it down. I love how I can just squeeze this and it just comes out so nice. Putting it on this side. All right, let's pop this one up. And then we've got to find a sentiment, a birthday sentiment. Ooh, that's not one. You know, I have them right here. I don't know why I keep always looking for them. I don't know why, but I do. Whoops. Do you think that my nail polish is festive for Halloween? I found this color and I was like, this is Halloween. So I got it, put it on today just for Halloween. Unfortunately, we live in a place where we never get trick-or-treaters, and my grandkids are with their dad this week, or today, because it's his day. You little sneaky sneak, you got some of my nail polish on you. And so, I'm sorry, I can't do two things at once. And so, all of these are crooked, and not meaning I'm not crooked, they're crooked. No, I'm crooked. I'm really crooked. All right, let's put this down. That's not so bad. That's not so bad. So I don't really get to celebrate trick-or-treating. You know, I don't really get to celebrate this year. Just a little bit off. Yeah, a little bit off. Okay. So I don't get to celebrate this year, really. You know, there's nothing exciting. Home hole. Home hole. You know what I'm saying? We just home hole. Woo! Yeah, that's my desk. Do you like him better? I don't think it matters, right? He goes along more with that one. This is still pretty, but I'll do something else with him. Let's find some... I have a million bazillion. I could just do a plain happy birthday. Right here. Happy birthday. Let's just see. Happy birthday. No, I think I want it on one line. I know that sounds silly, but I think I want it on one line. We could do just a congratulations, or I'm gonna do that one. All right, I'm thinking. How about you are the best? All right. All right, I'm gonna go find the sentiment. I'll be back. Okay, I was going to use one of these really pretty sentiments for encourage and faith, and I think I might put this on the envelope, which might be a good thing to send on the, you know, on one of the envelopes. That might be really something encouraging on the back of an envelope, right where the, you know, the flapping things come together. But I think I'm going to use this hooray, because it kind of goes with everything. What do you think? It's just a hooray. I think it might be a little bit too big, but you know what? I don't care. I think it's going to go right here, and I'm going to do it white with black. Yeah. Could do black with white, but then it will, you know, kind of fade into the background. So I'm going to do it the opposite way. And then we will, this will be fine for today. All right, a black if you mind. I only have 3 million of them. All right. Nice dark black. Hooray! Yay! Okay, we could cut around it. We need a hooray in one of the cut around things. But what if we just make a strip? What if we just make a strip? My little fingers are getting in the way. Perfect. We're going to flag this. Whoopsie. We're going to flag it. All right, we're going to use some of this ribbon, like this. Use some of this, like this. I don't want to interrupt this little guy. So if I'm thinking now that I would have rather done the larger circle. Hindsight, right? And I'm just going to do it down here. And then had a bigger spot so I didn't have to put it over it, because I'm not going to put it over it. So let's just pop up this stuff. Uh-oh. I did it again. I did it. No, I didn't. You guys. All right, here we go. Let's pop this up. Boop, boop. We'll just cut off the little bits that you can see, because I don't want to have to find my babies. All right. And like I said, I would have done this at the top. I'll make it like that. By the thingy, the thingamajigs, the circle thingy. Yeah, if I would have made the circle bigger. That's what I'm saying. I wish I would have made the circle bigger. Two. I'm a little bummed that I didn't make it bigger. Just a little bit. All right, let me know what you think. I had so much fun doing this today. This is a set that can really bring out the creativity, I think. Come on. Here we go. Oh, I love these color combos. This is just sweet, except for that stinking wing. Maybe it's a scarf. No, it's definitely a wing. If the wing was different, everything else, it would have been beautiful, I think. I think this is a beautiful one. So I like this one a little bit better because it's a little funky. Let me know what you think. I had such a great day. Happy Halloween. Yeah. Enjoy your day. I'll see you soon, all right, friends? Oh, I had so much fun. Yeah, it's definitely that one, but I mean, right? Just the wing. Oh, well. Live and learn. Let me know what color you would do the wing. Yeah, let me know. All right, thanks, friends. You have a wonderful day.